back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chrissy. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I know it's been a while since I have uploaded, but I had a lot going on with the business. We had to make sure we got the summer curriculum started and get our summer program together, but never mind any of that. I am back and I do have some new content on the way for you guys. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I have a styling haul for you guys, and I know I promised you guys a styling haul in my last haul for Zawful. So today what we're gonna do is sort of like a high-end clothing styling haul. Some of this stuff is new, some of this stuff you might have already seen if you follow me on Instagram. For example, this blue top that I'm wearing today, I did wear this before, but I just wanted to come back and show you guys how I've been styling a few of my new pieces. I do have a few designer pieces to show you guys, and I wanted to style them for you. I'm also going to tell you guys where I've been shopping for my higher end pieces, how I've been getting these pieces on sale, how I've been able to, you know, still keep it affordable but luxury at the same time, if that makes sense. But yeah guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that right now, and we are just going to get started. Alright guys, so today I am going to be showing you a few different pieces, and I'm also going to be showing you full looks with these pieces. So a few of the pieces you'll see a couple different times because I planned a few different looks with them. And also I might just switch the shoe just to give you like a day to night type of look, whatever the case is. So we're just going to get started. You can't see my full body from this view, so what I'm going to do is insert pictures of me wearing the full look, but for now I'm just going to show you the item. I'm going to show you you know, if it's a top, how it looks. This is a skirt. You guys can't see it all the way, so that's why I'll have to like insert a picture or insert a separate video just to not mess up the quality of the single shot. Alright guys, so the first item that we're going to start with is this electric blue marine serre top. This top is sheer, so I decided to pair it with a white bra, but you can pair it with another color bra if you would like. I just felt comfortable doing it with white because I knew I was wearing a white skirt with it. I did try to find like the same color blue to go underneath. That's what I really wanted to do, but it was hard to find that blue. So I did get a size medium and it fits me really well. So I'll turn around. I actually paired it with this skirt that I got from Amazon. It's just a pleated skirt. I'll insert a picture or a video so you guys can get a better look. And then I also wore it with some Alexander Wang heels. They were like a pale pink color. Like I said, I'll insert the picture just so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, that was just a cute look, and I just went to like a birthday party, so I didn't feel like I was doing too much. It just was a cute, comfortable look. If you guys are familiar with those Alexander Wang heels, they are pretty comfortable. It's just that the strap at the back can be a little bit loose depending on if you have, you know, thicker feet or not. But yeah, this was like a super cute and comfortable and just a fun look that I did. And I just wanted to show y'all just how I paired it. So this same top, I'm going to pair it with some army fatigue leggings, and then I'll show y'all how that looks. So guys, these are the army fatigue pants. I have wore these before, so if you buy some brand new, they're going to be a little bit darker, but these are a little bit washed out, and that's how I like them. And I just thought this would be a fun look, so I am going to throw these on, and I'm going to stand on a stool just to kind of show it to you. I'll also insert a picture just so you guys can see, you know, how it looks. Alright guys, so I'm doing a lot to kind of show y'all how, you know, I'm pairing it. But this is the top again, same top, and I have it on with these army fatigue pants. I'm standing on a stool. But yes, I love how this looks together, and what I did was paired it with these golden gooses. So yeah, that might look a little bit crazy, but I'm getting ready to take pictures in the mirror for you guys just so you guys can get a better idea of how it looks. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so the next item that I'm going to show y'all is this gallery department t-shirt. So this is the back. Super cute, and I really like this one because it has like glitter. The words are like all glitter, and then it has like the big symbol in the back, and the front is just like a graphic tee. So this is a muscle top. It doesn't have any sleeves, and it is distressed, so it has like a few holes in it in the front, and then we have some holes in the back. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to pair it with these pants that I got from Shop Grayscale, and I will leave the link down below for these pants. I'll be leaving the link down below for everything because Like I said, a lot of these items I did get on sale, and I'll share the websites that I shop. Farfetch, Forward, Essence. Those are like the different sites that I like to shop on to get my deals. But this is just from like a boutique that I found on Instagram, so I will leave the link for these down below. But what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to pair them together, and then I'll probably wear like my black and gold YSL heels with these, since they're the gold in the back. So I will insert a picture. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm pairing them. So I wanted to show you the pieces, and then I'll put it on just so you guys can see. Now that's one look for this Gallery Department t-shirt. And then another look that I'm going to do, same shirt, but I'm going to pair it with this black pleated skirt. And this skirt is from Pretty Little Thing. So I'll probably be doing this look again with the Golden Gooses, or I might do my Nike Dunks. That is a super cute look if you want to do like a chill daytime look, if you want to go to brunch, if you want to go to happy hour, but then you can easily throw some heels on and you can make it into a night look. So this is just how I put outfits together. This is how I style myself. Sometimes I'll see it in my head and be like, oh, you know what, I think that'll be cute, but then once I try it on, that's when you really get a vision of, well, not really a vision, that's when you really get to see how the outfit looks. So I'll throw all this on and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so the next item that I wanted to show you is my white Walford. The story behind these, I'm not sure if I ever talked about it before. The sizing is very off if you haven't offered from Walford before. So they go by your cup size, they go by your t-shirt size, and it's basically, it goes by small, medium, and large. So let's say you're a B cup. If you're a small, then you'll get like a SB, I think it is. If you're a medium, you'll get an MB, but I'm a C cup. So I actually got two different sizes because the white, when I got it, the medium was sold out, so I got a large and it fit pretty well. So this is a LC. And I wore this, you guys probably saw this look on Instagram. I wore this top, this is the white one, and I wore it with these Skims bottoms. So these are just the bone color Skims shorts. And then what I did was I threw this Zara blazer just over my shoulder, and that was really cute. You could also put the blazer on if you want to. Now I will tell you guys, this look was inspired by Aaliyah's face. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with her. I didn't copy the exact look because she did wear it different, and she did not wear I think she wore like a Pretty Little Thing blazer or something like that, and she didn't wear Skims shorts. So it wasn't the exact same look, but it still was cute. But I just wanted to let you guys know that that look was inspired, because I don't like taking credit for stuff that, you know, isn't all mine. But yeah, that was pretty much it. This blazer, I believe it was like $70. You guys know the Walford tops are like, how much are the Walford tops? I think they're $2.50, but when I ordered mine, it was my first order from Walford, so I got two, and then it was like a certain percentage off, and then plus I got the free overnight shipping. So I think I ended up paying like $4.20 or something like that for both of them. So not the biggest discount, but you know, it's still a discount. So I'll be pairing these together again, and I'll insert a picture, because if I put it on right now, you guys can't get a full look. So I'll try to like take a video in the mirror and then insert it just so you guys can see what it looks like. And I'll show you the shoes that I paired with that outfit too right now. So these are the shoes that I paired with that outfit. Super cute. It was a pretty like pale outfit, pretty neutral, so I thought I would go with like a pop of color. And these are Giuseppe's. I got these from Farfetch, and they were on sale, I believe like 50% off. So again, a lot of the designer items that I have, I do get on sale. I'm a bargain shopper. I like to be able to get a lot of stuff versus paying a lot of money for just one or two things. So yeah, these were super cute. They were comfortable. They have a pretty decent heel height, I should say. And yeah, so that completes that look. Like I said, I'll insert a picture so you guys could see, you know, how it looks. Alright guys, so the next item I want to show y'all are these Alexander Wang joggers. And these joggers run really big. I got a size small and they were still huge, so I feel like I could have got an extra small, but they're very good quality. I actually forget the pricing on these, so I'll just insert the link down below. But I got these from the Boyd's pop-up shop in my area, I don't remember if I got them on sale or not. I probably didn't, but they weren't that bad, so I'll just leave the link down below. This I had paired with, I did style this on Instagram, but I'm just going to insert the picture of how I wore it on Instagram, and I'm going to show you guys a separate look today. So I have this Maisie Willen, however you say it, this dress that I did wear before. I wore it as a dress, but with this you can pair it, since the green and the white look really cute together, you can wear this as a shirt. Just tuck it into the joggers, and I'll insert a picture just to show you guys how it looks. So when I do that, I might do the Alexander Wang heels again, because it's just a pale color heel and I feel like it looks cute. Or if you want to do kind of like a more edgy look, I have these green Bottegas that I can pair with these. I didn't buy these. Vince actually bought these for me, so I don't have any sale you know, suggestions for these. I don't think Bottegas even go on sale really, so I think the different greens, this is more like a highlighter green, but I think the different greens will look cute together, and I'll insert a picture just so you guys can see how that looks. So yeah guys, that was just another look. Super fast, but it's still cute. Alright guys, and the next item that I want to show y'all is this nude wafer top. There's a lot that you can do with this, like simple looks that you can put together, because you know nude is like my color. So what I did was I wore this with a pair of jeans. They were lace up jeans, and the lace color was like a lighter nude than this, but it was still paired well together. And then I wore my Alexander Wang heels with those. So I just wanted to show you guys these. I'm not going to show you guys the jeans only because I don't have a link for you, and they might be hard to access if you're not in Philadelphia. But if you are in Philadelphia, just let me know and I can tell you where I got them from a local boutique. But yeah, and I love these wafer bodysuits. This is the one that was actually a medium, so it definitely fit me a little bit better than the large, which was the white. But you could still get away with getting a bigger size. If your size is sold out, it'll still fit, you know. Alright guys, so I do have another look to show y'all, but my last pair of leggings that I wanted to show y'all, they actually haven't come in yet. They're for my trip for next week. So when they come in on Monday, I'll get back on the camera and I'll just show you guys how I'm going to pair it. I'll take a picture and just show you guys, because I wanted to give you guys, you know, a few different ideas of styling, a few different ideas of like how I put my pieces together. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, when those come in, I will come back on camera and just show you how it all looks. Alright guys, so these are the leggings that I was telling you about. And I said that I was going to pair them with these silver Giuseppes. These were on sale from Farfetch. Stop, Chloe. And I'll leave the link for both down below, but I'll insert the picture just to show you guys. Excuse me, mommy. Just to show you guys what that outfit looked like. And yeah, these came late, so that's why I couldn't show you on the other part of the video, but I still wanted to just give you guys the idea and the picture. So yeah, but yeah guys, that's everything that I have for you guys today. Quick and simple and right to the point. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite outfit was. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys, so you can keep up with all of my content. And I'll see you guys in my next video.